KULR or KULR specializes in energy storage safety systems, thermal management solutions, and rotary system vibration reduction. Historically focused on space and DoD applications, they've expanded into energy storage and vibration reduction markets. Their stated mission is to make the world more sustainable by using less energy, using energy more efficiently, making energy consumption safer and cooler, using fewer materials, and completing the circular economy through recycling. With the global energy storage systems market projected to grow from $210 billion in 2021 to $435 billion by 2030, KULR's solutions are positioned to take advantage of growth opportunities from government initiatives, regulatory tailwinds, and an expanding total addressable market. Let's explore some of the technology and offerings of this company, while highlighting some of their partnerships and discussing potential weaknesses and risks to consider. KULR has developed a battery product and service portfolio called KULR One Design Solutions, K1DS, over the last decade. This provides products, safety testing services, modeling and analysis services, electrical testing services, transport and recycling packaging and logistics, and battery design solutions for safe, high-performance energy storage solutions. Currently, the primary aspects of K1DS utilized by industry are product sales of trigger cells and TRS, along with customized energy storage solutions and safety testing methodologies. KULR has developed off-the-shelf KULR One architectures using their K1DS platform, offering a unique combination of safety, performance, intelligence, modularity, reliability, and customizability for various industries demanding applications. These include space exploration, KULR One Space, military applications, KULR One Guardian, and rack-style grid energy storage systems, KULR One Max. The KULR One family of battery packs prioritizes safety with state-of-the-art thermal management technology, making it a comprehensive solution for safe and reliable energy storage. KULR acquired intellectual property from Vibatech International LLC, allowing them to expand as a vertically integrated energy management company focused on sustainable energy solutions. The KULR Vibe Suite offers transformative and scalable solutions for excessive energy-robbing vibrations, which can lead to system malfunctions, weakened performance, and maintenance issues in various industries such as transportation, renewable energy, manufacturing, industrial, performance racing, and autonomous aerial applications. By utilizing proprietary sensor processes with advanced learning algorithms, the technology achieves precision balancing solutions and predicts component failure based on its comprehensive database of vibration signatures. The global vibration motor market was estimated at $6.5 billion in 2023 and forecast to reach $24.1 billion by 2032, growing at a compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, of 14.1% during 2023 to 2032. KULR believes that the future lies in combining energy with AI. They are constructing their AI infrastructure on industry-leading NVIDIA and AMD semiconductor platforms, hosted on a hybrid of private cloud and Microsoft Azure. To address the shortage of technical expertise for battery design and raw materials to build batteries, KULR is developing KULR One AI, K1 AI. By collecting large amounts of performance and safety test datasets from commercial lithium-ion cells, and combining this data with AI techniques, they aim to reduce engineering touch time to market. Their target markets include aerospace and defense systems, power tools and industrial equipment, high-performance electric vehicles, electric vertical takeoff and landing, (VOTL), electric micromobility vehicles, along with residential and commercial energy storage systems. The company aims to address issues with lithium-ion batteries, which, despite being the dominant technology for energy storage, still carry their documented safety risks, such as cell-to-cell thermal runaway that can cause fires or explosions. To reach net zero emissions by mid-century, an additional 245 gigawatt-hours of battery capacity is needed annually until 2030. However, safety incidents hinder trust in these technologies and slow the pace of achieving decarbonization goals. KULR's passive propagation-resistant, PPR, and thermal runaway shield, TRS technologies aim to prevent cell-to-cell thermal runaway propagation and inhibit fires or ejections from a single cell within the battery enclosure, making them safe for various applications. KULR is partnering with industry leaders like Volta Energy Products to increase deployments of safe, reliable, and durable energy storage systems and accelerate the broader energy transition. KULR Tech Safe Case offers a safe and economical method for storing and transporting lithium batteries, addressing supply chain challenges and ESG commitments for end-of-life battery management. Their thermal runaway shield, TRS technology, has been trusted by NASA for storing laptop batteries on the International Space Station. KULR's passive propagation-resistant, PPR solutions, combined with their CellCheck intelligent battery management system, extend battery life, providing real-time and lifetime battery intelligence to ensure maximum safety and performance. As industries face increasing pressure to adhere to ESG standards, KULR is well-positioned to serve the growing market for circular economic models for batteries, which is expected to reach $21 billion by 2025. The company is contributing to the transition towards electrified transport by developing safer, lighter, and faster-charging lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles and micro-mobility solutions. Their passive propagation-resistant (PPR) battery pack solutions increase energy capacity while preventing thermal runaway events that could result in hazardous explosions. This helps address public safety concerns around electric vehicles, electric aviation, and micromobility markets. KULR's carbon fiber thermal management technologies enhance battery cell efficiency by reducing thermal resistance and increasing electrical conductivity to effectively dissipate heat, thus enabling the safe deployment of fast-charging batteries. These innovations allow for increased energy capacity in fewer cells, resulting in lighter, more efficient vehicles. KULR's thermal management solutions are crucial in the defense and aerospace industries for safely deploying electronic technologies during critical missions. As technology advances rapidly, and the space industry is set to be worth nearly $3 trillion within 30 years, the company ensures protection against overheating and other hazards through their lithium-ion battery solutions. They have established partnerships with Lockheed Martin and Leidos, among others, providing mission-critical technologies for various defense systems such as hypersonic vehicles and high-power magnetic waves. KULR relies on customers and partners to incorporate their thermal management solutions into new applications. As these solutions are relatively new to mass-market consumer electronics, design and testing times can be prolonged. Factors like delayed adoption, quicker competitor transitions, or potential product issues pose risks that need to be kept in mind. Along with the fact there is no guarantee that the company will always secure U.S. government contracts to develop their technology. The lengthy application process and potential non-compliance with requirements may impact their success, leaving uncertainty regarding future awards. Moreover, the company lacks experience in high-volume manufacturing necessary for profitable operations. Current small-scale production facilities aren't sufficient to reach desired sales levels. Outsourced partners are used for high-volume products. Efforts to scale up battery cell facilities are underway, but there's no guarantee this will be economically feasible at the required level. If scaling isn't achieved, operations could be curtailed or stopped entirely. Furthermore, their product's sales cycle is lengthy and complex, often taking 1 to 5 years from testing to commercial use. Factors like budget constraints, internal acceptance procedures, and competition are beyond their control and could prevent them from reaching profitability. Failure to accommodate these factors might result in operational issues and potential investment loss. On a related note, the company is vulnerable to customer concentration risk because it heavily relies on a few key customers for a significant portion of its revenue. For example, even as recent as 2023, 2 customers accounted for 61% of total revenue. Due to the nature of their business, they anticipate being dependent on a small number of customers for several years. If one or more major customers were to stop ordering materials, it could lead to significant loss of future revenues and negatively affect the company's business and potential investments. Similarly, there is reliance on its key employees due to its small size and limited operating history. The experience and knowledge of Michael Moe, CEO, Sean Cantor, CFO, Dr. William Walker, CTO, Keith Cochran, President and COO, Ted Krupp, VP of Sales, and Michael Carpenter, VP of Engineering, are critical for the company's operations and development. If one or more of them become unavailable, there could be adverse effects on business operations, potentially leading to reduced revenue, profits, or even loss of investment. Despite these challenges and risks, KULR has managed to make major progress in terms of acquiring contracts and establishing partnerships. For instance, its initial engagement with the United States Army to expand its battery contract with KULR to $2.4 million, including additional prototypes and environmental qualification testing in accordance with MIL STD 18E standards. This partnership aims to enhance product capabilities, particularly for the KULR One platform, and lay the groundwork for growing adoption of the technology. The company's progress also extends to a licensing agreement for its proprietary vibration reduction technology, KULR Zero Vibe, KXV. The $2.35 million deal includes a $1.1 million minimum guaranteed license and royalty fee, with additional revenue upside to KULR based on volume and tech upgrades. The licensee is a major Japanese corporation that will use the KXV technology for balancing industrial-scale fan systems in data center computer cooling, HVAC, and other industrial applications. KULR expects substantial revenue potential from customers' growth in tangential power-consuming applications. KXV can virtually eliminate vibration, reducing energy consumption while improving the working environment by lowering noise levels. Then recently, KULR was awarded a contract to develop a specialized phase change material, PCM heatsink, for a major missile program. The custom PCM heatsink will manage extreme thermal loads during mission-critical maneuvers, ensuring optimal performance and reliability of the missile's electronic systems. KULR's extensive experience with PCM technology has proven effective in regulating heat under intense operational conditions in defense and space applications. This contract aligns with KULR's growth strategy in defense applications, solidifying their leadership in advanced thermal management solutions. Another military contract has been awarded by the U.S. Navy to advance its internal short-circuit (ISC) technology for activation at higher temperatures. The new development will aid in aviation safety by offering deeper insights into battery behavior under extreme conditions, allowing precise evaluation of resilience and safety in high-stress environments. KULR's ISC devices were initially developed with NASA and the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, providing safer and more accurate testing than traditional methods. This advancement strengthens KULR's position as a vital partner in battery safety improvements. And speaking of NASA, the space battery market is predicted to show a 6.56% CAGR through 2032, driven by the demand for reliable and efficient battery cell technology in the space industry. Space battery cells play a crucial role in powering satellites, orbital platforms, lunar and deep space missions, and rocket propulsion systems. KULR, among other companies, is actively involved in developing advanced thermal management and vibration reduction solutions to meet NASA's stringent requirements for mission-critical applications. Also available now are NASA-certified M35A battery cells, qualified for use in JSC 2793 compliant battery packs. These 18650 cells have undergone rigorous validation to meet NASA's stringent requirements through initial lot assessment and acceptance processes conducted under formal NASA work instructions. The M35A is a crucial component of NASA's Artemis II mission and will also be integrated into KULR's proprietary 400WH-K1 space battery, scheduled for completion in early January 2025. In collaboration with NASA, KULR aims to expand the strategic battery reserve to include larger format cells and various qualified technologies, enabling faster procurement options and wider accessibility to compliant solutions for aerospace and defense customers. KULR plans to launch its KULR One Space K1S battery via EXO launch on a SpaceX rideshare mission in 2026. The mission marks a significant milestone in KULR's commitment to developing safer, high-performing battery systems for space applications, catering to the space battery market expected to grow from $3.9 billion to $6.35 billion by 2030. The K1S batteries will integrate multiple configurations of state-of-the-art 18650 cells from leading manufacturers like LG, Samsung, Amprius, and Molicel, showcasing cell and pack performance in orbital environments. One system will use Molicel 18650 M35A cells with associated NASA screening tests. The mission will also validate the flight capabilities of K1S batteries that meet NASA's JSC 2793 battery safety standard and feature next-generation low-temperature cell technology if feasible. Then recently, the company launched KULR Zero Vibe, KXV, integrated with NVIDIA's Jetson Edge AI platform. This new product combines advanced vibration mitigation capabilities with artificial intelligence features to enable reliable and high-performance operation in edge AI environments, such as robotics, autonomous machines, industrial IoT, and smart cities. The KXV solution reduces mechanical stress and enhances the longevity of AI edge devices while offering seamless AI integration and durability in harsh conditions. It has potential applications across industries including data centers, wind-powered turbines, Bitcoin mining, robotics, aerospace, defense, and electric aviation. Speaking of Bitcoin, KULR plans to allocate up to 90% of its surplus cash into Bitcoin as a primary reserve asset. The decision comes amidst KULR's impressive financial performance, with its stock delivering a year-to-date return of 651%, with revenues amounting to $9.7 million in the past 12 months. This move aligns with KULR's recognition of the potential for long-term value appreciation and growing acceptance of cryptocurrency. The company believes that incorporating Bitcoin into its treasury strategy will strengthen its financial position, allowing it to expand operations responsibly. As a result, KULR already completed the purchase of 217.18 Bitcoin worth around $21 million at an average price of $96,556.53 per Bitcoin. Coinbase's Prime platform was chosen for providing custody, USDC, and self-custodial wallet services for the purchased BTC. The company plans more such purchases in the future. For more on KULR and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.